Hello everyone, I'm Cherie Dawson-Edwards and welcome once again to EKUcast. Today we're going to examine EKU's Occupational Science program. Occupational science is a social science that studies human occupation. Now the word occupation doesn't mean our jobs, but rather how we occupy our time through activity, organize ourselves by patterns and habits, and create meaning through occupation. Appropriate occupation is necessary to a healthy and satisfying life. Occupational science at EKU leads to a bachelor's degree, and that degree can be used to move into a master's degree in occupational therapy. Let's take a closer look.
Occupational therapy is the art and science of facilitating participation in occupations or the activities that people participate in life for individuals with disabilities. Occupational science is the study of how and why people engage in activity and occupations in their life that is meaningful to them. Students that come into the occupational science program study what people do and why they perform the occupations or activities that they do in daily life. This program has a heavy emphasis in the biological science, and the students can apply to the Masters of Science in Occupational Therapy to become a practicing occupational therapist.
So I like the medical aspect of it, but it's also more of like an interpersonal type feeling where you actually get to interact with people.
The Occupational Science Department is one of the first occupational science programs in the country. So this program is really showing leadership in this evolving social science. The Occupational Therapy program was rated 24th as best graduate programs in occupational therapy by U.S. News and World Report.
I've looked at other universities' programs, other university websites, and the faculty here is probably one of the largest actually in the nation. A lot of the faculty here are fellows of the American Occupational Therapy Association, which in essence means that they have contributed in some way to research or some body of practice. Just having that broad, diverse, complete faculty was, a real plus as well.
One example of how this faculty goes above and beyond for the students is that they offer a tutoring session on Tuesday nights from 5 to 7:30, and the faculty members are volunteering. It's their own personal accord to help the students.
We have the best students you can ever imagine that come from across the Commonwealth and from the entire country. We also have international students that come for our post-professional program. Our students are very interested in becoming health and human service professionals and are very caring individuals.
After I graduate, I plan to get a job as an occupational therapist, hopefully in a pediatric clinic or a school system setting, working with children with different diagnoses from autism to cerebral palsy to Down syndrome.
After I graduate from the master's program here, I really am interested in working with neurological types of problems in like a neurorehabilitation setting, where I really want to work with spinal cord injury population or traumatic brain injury.
My advice for someone that's interested in pursuing a career in occupational therapy would be to keep your grade point average as high as you possibly can, because we are a very competitive program, and to take courses in the biological sciences if they're available to you.
For more information about EKU's undergraduate degree in occupational science, check their website at www.health.eku.edu/OTS or call them at 859-622-3300. Well, the holiday season is a happy time, and this year is even happier for our EKU graduates. Fall commencement will be Saturday, December 20th at Alumni Coliseum. The speaker for the 10 a.m. graduation will be former Kentucky Governor Brereton Jones, and Nick Clooney will be the speaker for the 3 p.m. session. Also, the university will be closed December 22nd through January 4th. Spring semester begins Monday, January 12th, 2009. All of us here at the EKU Media Production Center would like to congratulate each and every one of our graduates. We wish you the best of luck. See you next time on EKUcast.